Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert images from your computer into your Miro board. So as you can see, I'm in Miro right here. And if I want to insert an image into the design from my computer, all I have to do is click on the plus on the left hand side, and that's going to open up the tools. And you have the tools here. So you can go about doing it two ways. If you know the shortcut, you could type, for example, upload, and it's going to search for you, and you have a bunch of different uploads that you can choose from. So here you can see images and you can see icons, and you can either choose this and you'll be able to upload from your computer. Right now, if you want to go ahead and if you don't want to go down this route and you just want to upload directly from your computer, you click on it and just scroll down and you will find upload. Right, so you'll find the option that basically allow you to upload, and you can just look for this upload right here. It's going to say upload from Google Drive and more. This is what you want. You can even pin it to your toolbar, and so that you can easily find it. So if I want to pin this, you will see that it's going to pin, and I will always be able to use this kind of upload. Now, what I want to do now is just to simply go ahead and click on the upload, right? So if you want to use it next time, you basically can click on it and you'll have it at the top here as pinned, and so you can click and upload. Now you choose the option wherever you want. So that could be from your computer. That's the example I will show you. But you have the drives, you have Adobe, you have Dropbox, you have Google Drive, and so forth. So I'm going to choose, for example, the option that says my device, and then it's going to open up my file explorer. Scroll and just find whatever image that I want. So let's say I want to insert, I'm going to use an image of something, right? So I'm going to use this image right here. Click on the image, then click on open, and you will see right away that it adds the image into my design. I can move it around, I can resize it, I can do whatever it is, and I can even use power of AI to do something with this image. So let's say I wanted to use AI with it. I could click on AI and basically see what AI offers. That could be to remove background. It could be whatever it is that I can basically use the AI for, right? I can even create more stuff out of it as well. But that's basically it, guys. That's how you basically insert image into your boards from your PC on Miro. Very easy and very simple.